What's up guys, it's James here from Zimbo with the drone, and I'm sitting with the brand spanking new DJI Mini 3 Pro. Over the last few days we took it for a spin, and here's what we love about it. The Mini 3 Pro is a pro spec drone in a mini body. Weighing in at 249 grams, this drone absolutely packs a punch. The biggest game changer for me is the addition of true vertical shooting. This allows for an image to transfer from landscape to portrait from the drone in a heartbeat, which is fantastic for sharing on Instagram, TikTok and your social platforms. It comes with a 1/1.3 inch sensor, which allows for higher detail in the highlights and shadows. Incredible addition is the 48 megapixel RAW photos that this camera can take. With video, this drone shoots in 4K 60 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second, which is incredible. Another thing I love is that DJI have included the DJI Smart Controller in one of their combos. The Smart Controller is incredible because you don't have to carry your phone with you, it doesn't drain your phone's battery, and you can still use your phone while flying. The Smart Controller is an absolute game changer. Like the Air 2, the Mini 3 Pro comes with a 34-minute flight time and a 47-minute flight time if you buy the Fly More Kit Plus, which is just remarkable for such a small body. Mini 3 Pro is the safest Mini out there. Unlike the Mini 2, it comes with obstacle avoidance, giving you peace of mind while you're flying. Mini 3 Pro comes with Focus Track, allowing you to draw a square or a rectangle around an object and follow it automatically. This is an absolute game changer and something that the Minis have never seen before. Another nice addition is the addition of master shots. Now what master shots are is that you draw a square or a rectangle around an object that you want to focus on, and then what the drone will do is go through preset moves and incorporate all of that into a 15-second clip that can be shared on social media. So who is this drone made for? It's made for anybody looking to level up their content. It's for content creators, travel vloggers, hobbyists, and everyone in between. It really has incredible specs in such a mini body, and I would implore you to go check it out. Thanks guys.